My name is Richard Bovell. I'm the Product Development and Engineering Director for Navico Group. We make product for the HVAC and water category, so it's all sorts of water pumps for marine and RV applications. So we heard about the knowledge transfer partnership via our links with Invest NI. So when we look at how we're wanting to invest, KTP is always top of the list as a good opportunity and way to do that. And we've been very fortunate to be involved with the KTP now for nearly 30 years.
My name's Claire Wilson and I'm the Knowledge Transfer Partnership Associate here at the Navico Group. I found out about the Knowledge Transfer Partnership through looking actually on the Queen's website, and then from there find out more about the KTP and find one that I thought was suitable for my set of skills.
We had a challenge of trying to develop a marine fuel tank that could be made in an environmentally friendly process and be a sustainable product at the end that could be recycled.
So currently all fuel tanks are made from normally a cross-linked polyethylene, and the problem with this is it doesn't break down. It can take hundreds of years. So we wanted to find a new material that could be recyclable.
We didn't have the skills or the equipment needed to do this project. That's where the partnership with Queen's and KTP was essential. So we were able to use the innovative robotic rotational moulding that's available in Queen's and AMIC, and also the skill set of the academic team there. It wouldn't have been possible without them.
Our expertise here at Queen's University in this particular area is on the rotational moulding of plastics. And really that was one of the main reasons behind Navico approaching us. They were very interested in exploring the possibility of using the rotational moulding process to manufacture some of their products, but they had no knowledge of the process itself.
My experience working with Queen's has been absolutely brilliant. So I use their robotic rotational moulding machine. I can go and experiment with my own materials, do my own trialling, my own testing. And it's good to have my supervisors always in hand in case I come across something that I'm not sure about.
We would highly recommend knowledge transfer partnerships to any business within Northern Ireland. There's that perfect mechanism to help de-risk your innovation, your research, your development, particularly for those Northern Ireland companies that have something that they really want to take to market.
I think what I'm most proud of is the patent that I'm working through at the minute. I'm only 28 and I'm hoping to get it through in the next year. And again, that will be me down as a lead inventor, which I think is just fantastic. And I'm just so excited for what's coming next.
So from the programme that Claire is doing, the outcome in just over a year's time, we hope to come to market with a commercially viable fuel tank which has all the accessories, the full system. So that will be very innovative and unique versus our competitors. It will provide a cost competitive product that's also sustainable. I would highly recommend the KTP to other Northern Ireland businesses. It has been so important to us at various points in the growth of our company. It's a great way of strategically introducing innovative change. And so I think it's crucial for Northern Ireland businesses to make sure that we're staying competitive, to make sure that we are competing globally, not just from product development, but from a manufacturing location as well.